Hey, Danielle K. Howell here, your online success coach from youronlinesuccesscoach.com. And we are still continuing with our Laws of the Universe series. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the law of cause and effect. So basically, the law of cause and effect means nothing happens by chance. Nothing. It's happening because of your thoughts, your actions, your words. Everything that you put out into the universe is going to have an effect. It's going to have an effect on you, and it's going to have an effect on your surroundings. So basically, it's saying every action, including thought, has a reaction or consequence. So basically, it's saying we reap what we sow. We reap what we sow. So in this video, I want you to be mindful of the things that you speak, the things that you think about, the things that you, even imagine, whatever, still thought, right? Everything that you put out there, whether it's spoken or unspoken, will always have a consequence or a reaction. Your decisions to create a certain thought or to let that thought linger and turn into an emotion will ultimately bring about a manifestation, an outcome. Okay? So that is the law of cause and effect. And I'm sure you can think about things in your life. I know I can, that has happened because of thought. Even the things that I did not want to happen, it happened because when you start to entertain a thought, when you start to put an emotion behind it, whether it's something that you love or hate, whether it's something that you want or you don't want, you will create it. So remember that. It's called the law of cause and effect. You get what you put out. You reap what you sow. All right? Please, if this video resonated with you, if it made you think deep, if you agree, disagree, please leave me a comment below. Just be nice. Don't leave any bad comments. Be nice. Leave me a comment below. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to my channel. And if you need some coaching, if you'd like to hire me as a coach, or if you'd like a free half-hour coaching session with me, there's some links below. I do one-on-one coaching. I do free coaching. I do Shopify coaching. I help people to get unstuck kind of coaching, breakthroughs, mental breakthroughs, personal development breakthroughs. I help people to make money on the internet coaching. So there's some links down below. Check them out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Peace.